Mango juice is a refreshing drink loved by many. But have you ever wondered how it's made? In this video, we'll take you on a journey through a mango juice factory to show you the process of making this delicious drink. We start our journey at the mango receiving dock where the raw mangoes are delivered. The ripe and fresh mangoes are unloaded from the trucks and taken inside the factory. At the dock, skilled workers sort and inspect the mangoes, separating the good ones from the bad. Only the freshest and ripest mangoes are sent to the next stage of the process. Our next stop is the mango washing station. Here, the mangoes are washed thoroughly with clean water to remove all the dirt and bacteria. It's important to wash the mangoes properly to make sure that there are no harmful substances left on them. The cleanliness of the mangoes directly affects the quality of the juice. The washed mangoes are then sent to the peeling and cutting station. The outer layer of the mango is peeled off, and the flesh is separated from the seed. This station is where the mango is prepared for blending. Once the flesh is separated from the seed, it is sent to a mixing tank where it is blended into a smooth pulp. The mango pulp is then sent to the filling station. In this station, the pulp is poured into bottles, cans, or cartons, depending on the packaging specifications. At this stage, the mango juice is not yet ready to drink. It still needs to go through a pasteurization process to ensure that it's safe for consumption and has a longer shelf life. The pasteurization process takes place at a high temperature for a set amount of time. This kills any bacteria that might be present in the juice and extends the shelf life of the product. After the pasteurization process, the bottles, cans, or cartons are labeled and packaged for shipping to juice distributors and retailers. Once the bottles, cans, or cartons are labeled and packaged, they are carefully stacked onto pallets and transported on trucks to the juice distributors and retailers. The shipping process is an important step in getting the finished product to the consumers in a timely and cost-effective manner. Distributors and retailers have specific requirements for how the product should be packaged and shipped to ensure that it arrives good condition. From there, the juice is sold to customers who can enjoy a refreshing and healthy beverage. It's important to note that getting juice from the fruit to the bottle is a complex one that involves steps, each of which is critical to producing a high-quality product. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.